Hello, everyone, and welcome to the beginning of the Loose Ventures stream. This is just an intro video where I'll explain what to expect from the stream and a bit about who I am and what I hope to accomplish. So the purpose of this stream is to share trading strategies in a casual educational setting so that everyone can develop their own trading and investing strategies. I'll try to keep it simple yet intriguing. Perhaps by working together live, we can find more interesting trading opportunities and investments. Ideally, you could passively listen while the stream plays in the background. I like to listen to streams while I work. Perhaps you like to do the same. I'm not going to post strict financial analyses or how-to videos. Consider my streams more of a casual hangout session, such as DFV stream, aka Roaring Kitty. So the focus will be on live discussion and discovery of short and long-term investments and trades. Overall, this is meant to be exclusive of new and experienced traders and investors. I'll stream in a manner that encourages discussion while focusing on what matters most, which is using a process to identify potential market-beating plays. My personal goal is to avoid excessive bias and focus on math and economic-driven strategies. The focus will be on present and forward expectations. If you're looking for lessons on historical case scenarios, the I told you so videos, there are countless other streamers who focus on exactly that. I'm not interested in what already made or lost money, but rather what opportunities exist today. I'm going to avoid using the clickbait content, the flames and the thumbnails, none of that stuff. This is just going to be live, engaging streams. However, if I turn into the monster that I fear most, I will provide my home address and you all have permission to come eat me. My trading strategy is moderately high risk and opportunistic. So 3 core strategies that I'll touch on lightly here. And these are all based on current and forecasted economics and the current trading environment, and they will change over time. First is growth at a reasonable price and value investing, which most of you are familiar with. This has about a 3 to 24 month time frame. And for those who are skeptical, yes, value investing works over the long term. It can be highly subjective, but you should always be fundamentals focused and focus on valuation, quantitative driven data. Keep the subjectivity for the end, or unless you really know something, right? Volatility risk premium capture is my second core strategy. It's typically the primary strategy. Time frame is anywhere from 1 week to 12 months. This is based on the concept that implied volatility or future expected volatility is higher than what the realized volatility will actually be at that point in the future. So you sell or capture the premium that the markets offer, making a bet against that concept or against the idea that volatility will be high. Relatively speaking, of course. Third primary strategy is leveraging deep value plays. And this is a time frame of 3 to 24 months. This is very much akin to DFV style. This is a good example would be GameStop, oil and gas stocks coming out of COVID, or maybe profitable companies trading well below book value. I'll cover my process and the resources I use in separate videos for everyone's convenience. Hopefully those won't be too long. This is just a summary, just high level. So maybe we'll talk more about that on the live stream as well. So just a brief personal intro of myself. I am a self-taught active investor and trader focused on strategies relating to value investing and volatility. Managing my portfolio is my full-time job, but there are a few other projects I work on here and there. I'm a U.S. Army vet. I was medical. I visited the lovely Dust Mountains of Iraq, and I lived in Germany for 1 year. For those who say the U.S. is the greatest country on earth, you haven't been to Europe. And for my viewers who are mostly in the U.S., forget what I just said, the U.S. is the greatest country on earth. I have an MBA finance, and I studied economics and policy analysis, which I hate. I also have decent experience in or understanding of operations, logistics, and psychology, which specifically led to my interest in behavioral finance. I'm an amateur musician and self-proclaimed comedy writer with appreciation for good cooking, coffee, whiskey, beer, and wine. But unfortunately, I'm not an alcoholic. So the next few videos will cover my core trading strategies, my research process, and the tools I use to guide that process. For easier access and to avoid excessively long videos, I'll upload separate videos for a few of those topics. Maybe not cover everything, but I will cover process and probably do a deep dive in value investing. From there on, I'll just be streaming either after hours research or live trading during the day. Lately, I've been spending much of the day doing research rather than actual trading or screening for trades, so day streaming may be limited or be more of a random hangout session. I am new to streaming, so bear with me, and if you're experiencing streaming, I welcome your feedback. Honestly, I'm not expecting much to come out of this, but if a solid community develops and people want more, I can expand on the format and editing to make the videos more accessible, more appealing, and ideally more engaging. So for better discussion, I'll be inviting a few friends to the stream here and there. Maybe people like Simple Vice or maybe Hardy Erection. Some of you know what I'm talking about. That said, thanks for joining. I look forward to discussing trading with everybody here, value investing, whatever strategies you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.